Now beta, further we are moving to the next exercise, that is exercise 3.4, and in this exercise you have to give an LCM. And last year you did lot of questions on LCM. Most of the children, they know how to find the LCM, but again we are repeating because it is in our syllabus part. And see that how I am finding 21 or 24. Okay, question number 1, A part. Find LCM of 21 and 24. Step 1 will be, everybody knows, write prime numbers. Okay, because other than prime numbers we will not take them for the division. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay, then step 2, do prime factorization. Do prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization. You know that 21 and 24. First of all, which number we will select for the division? 2. In 2's table 21 means in unit place 1 is there, so it cannot be divisible by 2. So 21 will copy down as same. So and in 2 it will be divisible by 12. Half of 24 is 12. Now further go to the 2, 21, 6. Now 2, 21 or 3. Okay. Then 3, 3 7 ja 21 or 3 1 ja 3. Okay, and 7 or 7 1 ja 7. In a sequence you have to select the factors. Okay, many children are selecting factor 3 or 8 here, but other than these numbers, many from last year I am teaching you that not the other than the prime numbers you can select for the division. Okay, if by one number further division is not possible, then move to the next, then further is also, and afterwards also the division is not possible, then move to the next prime number, but not on a composite number. Whenever that many children, they are selecting as composite number. In previous class I taught you all types of numbers again one more time. So what will be your LCM? LCM is equal to, take all the multiplication of these one, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 7 ja 21. Okay, so it will be 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So what will be your LCM? LCM will be 168. One more part I am going to do. In that I am taking D part, 12, 18 and 36. D part. Question number 1, D part. 12, 18 or 36. I am taking their LCM. Okay. You write question yourself. I am doing just its solution. Which number we can select first? 2. 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 9 ja 18. 2 18 ja 36. Further 2's divisibility is possible. Okay. 2 3 ja 6. 9 will, in 2's table 9 not comes, so it will copy down in the same. 2 9 ja 18. Now by 2, these numbers are not divisible by 2. So in which number we can move? 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. Then further by 1 1 or 1. Okay. Now LCM will be, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. 4 9 ja 30. What will be your LCM? 30. So simple beta, nothing is there. Okay. Now bigger than these questions you did in previous year. Now see that one more part I am doing, and then rest of the part you will perform yourself. I am taking J part, last J part now. Okay. And that is 32 and 56. 32 and 56. See that. Take the help of your parents also and complete all the parts of this exercise now afterwards yourself. Take first 2. Okay, 2. 2, and how you have to proceed? In this way. You will go through the steps. Step 1, you will write prime numbers. I am not writing more and more because there is less space in my blackboard. whiteboard. So you will, in each question, first step will be write prime number, second step do prime factorization. Prime factorization I am doing, but I am not repeating prime numbers more and more. In this way I will not get enough space to write. Okay, but you will do as last year we were doing. 16 and 2 4 ja or 2 2 ja 4 or 2 8 ja 16. Okay, then 2 again, 2 8 ja 16 and 14. Then 2 4 ja 8 or 2 7 ja 14. Still we can't move on 7 till that, because 4 is divisible by 2 further. 2 2 ja or 7. Copy down. If the number is not divisible, copy down it. 2 1 ja 2. Now 7. Now the divisibility of 2 have completed. Means we will move to the next number when the divisibility of one number will be completed. Otherwise, firstly we will not change the number. Till that its divisibility, till that one it is not coming, we will not change the number. Now go to the 7. 1 copy down or 7 1 ja 7. So in this way. Now finally I am moving to the LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 or 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 5 times 2 will come and then 7. See that 1 2 3 4 5 or 7. It will be 32 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 1 carry. 7 3 ja 21 or 1 22. So 2 to 4 will be your LCM. Okay, so in this way complete beta exercise 3.4 rest of the part, because this is not new for you. Lot of questions I taught you in the previous year and everybody knows it was a, you can understand it's like a revision of LCM also, and complete the rest of the part of this question. Beta, then for next exercise 3.5, what is the rule? We have one rule. Till that we have learned LCM, SCF is equal to always. This is formula. This is formula and very important formula for you. SCF, LCM into SCF is equal to first number into second number. And dot means number. In short I am writing. Okay. See that in exercise means if we will multiply, if we, suppose we have given any numbers and we will take, or somewhere one more in the one more form it can be written, LCM into SCF is always equal to the product of numbers. Always equal to the product of numbers. Okay, means product means first number into second number means their product. So one in this way also this formula can be written. Now see that exercise 3.1, 3.5 and question number 1. See that the SCF and LCM of two numbers are 848 and 288 respectively. Okay, SCF, first SCF is written, so first value will be for SCF. SCF in exercise 3.5 question number 1 is that the SCF and LCM of two numbers are, means first number will be the value of SCF and LCM is written afterwards, so this will be the value of LCM. Okay, and one of the number is 144, means first number is 144. We have to find the other number, means second number we have to find. See that beta? We can write the formula from, whether we can write this here also, at this here also, there will be no change in the formula. So SCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Second number. Okay, see that now. SCF is how much? 48 into LCM is 288. Okay, is equal to first number is, one of the number is 144 or second number we don't know, write it as second number. Maybe everybody of you have understood up to here. Okay, now 48 into 288 divided by, this will come down here 144 and it will remain their second number. Have you understood? I am hoping that everybody of you have understood. Second number. Okay, if suppose we have given first number and second number, and from here only one value we have given, so rest by second value we will find. So whatever single value will go in the denominator of these at that time. In the same way, here left hand side values are given, or on right hand side one value is given. So that value on finding the means second number's answer, what will go? It will come down on its denominator. Okay, now see that 144 2 ja 288. No, and 288 comes to 2 times in 144 table. So 48 into 2 is equal to second number. Is equal to second number. Okay, so see that 8 2 ja 16, 1 2 4 ja 8 96 is equal to second number. So what will be the value of second number? 96. So this will be our answer. Maybe everybody have understood this. Then I am moving to the next question.